An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj. Class 3. Subject English language. Topic Revision nouns, singular and plural, and nouns, gender.
Good morning, my dear students. I welcome you all to the English class. I hope you all are doing good at your homes and are studying regularly and completing your work on time. So, without wasting our time, let's start our today's video.
Recapitulation nouns, singular and plural. A noun standing for one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be in the singular number. The nouns chair, tree, watch, and bus are said to be in the singular number. A noun standing for more than one person, animal, place, or thing is said to be in the plural number. The nouns chairs, trees, watches, and buses are said to be in the plural number. My dear students, we have already learned that there are several ways in which singular nouns can be changed to their plural forms. Let's do quick revision. Rule number 1 is by adding s at the end of words. For example, chair, we will add s to form its plural, chairs. Teacher, teachers. Rule number 2 is if a noun ends in s, double s, x, sh or ch, we add es to form the plural. For example, bus, the word is ending in s, so we will add es to form its plural. Bus, buses. Class, the word is ending in double s, so we will add es to form its plural. Class, classes. Fox, the word is ending in x, so we will add es to form its plural. Brush, the word is ending in sh, so we will add es to form its plural, brushes. Bench, the word is ending with ch, so we will add es to form its plural. Rule number 3 is by adding es at the end of words ending in o. For example, mango, the word mango is ending with o, so we will add es to form its plural. Mango, mangoes. Potato, potatoes. Rule number 4 is by removing f or fe at the end and adding ves. For example, knife, the word is ending with fe, so we will remove fe and we will add ves to form its plural. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Rule number 5 is if a noun ends in y and there is a consonant before the y, we drop the y and add ies. For example, baby, the word is ending with y and there is a consonant before the y. So we will drop y and here we will add ies to form its plural. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Rule number 6 is if a noun ends in y and there is a vowel before the y, add only s. For example, boy, the word boy is ending with y and there is a vowel before the y, so we will add s to form its plural. Boy, boys. Monkey, monkeys. Rule number 7 is some nouns form their plurals differently. These are irregular plural forms of nouns. For example, child, children. Tooth, teeth. Ox, oxen. I hope you all have understood all the rules. Now, my dear students, it's quiz time. Let's practice what you have learnt. Now, my dear students, we will do recapitulation of the topic nouns gender. Masculine gender. The words man, father, brother and king belong to the he group. My dear students, he group words are said to be of the masculine gender. Feminine gender. The words woman, mother, sister, queen belong to the she group. She group words are said to be of the feminine gender. Now, my dear students, we will practice few questions of the topic nouns gender. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you and have a nice day.